Is this a boat or a banana?
It's a G.
I look like a banana.
Welcome to Gray's World. Hi you guys, welcome to Paint World. I'm Gray, he's Dad, she's Mom, and today we're doing sidewalk paint.
What color? Hey, what colors are in there? What color paint do we have?
So we have red, yellow, orange, blue, green, purple, brown, and white.
Good job.
You want to?
You guys, Mommy's gonna
Oh, it's the unboxer again.
Okay, let's see what we do here. All right, what color do you want to start with?
I want to start with blue.
All of these have. We're gonna do all of them.
What? Hey,
Did you get that?
Thanks for joining the video. And the
hey, they need to buy this, don't they? What's that called again?
sidewalk chalk and sidewalk paint.
Like
And then
powder paint. It's like powder chalk. And
you got that?
You got the water. Let's put some water in
And you
there.
gotta stir it.
Put you a stick. Now stir it up real good.
Okay, Mom.
Stir it real good.
Idea up for me.
Because there's a lot. It's really thick underneath there.
Gray's doing his.
And Mommy's doing
Gray's
hers.
got the blue. Mommy's got the red.
And then you got.
And Dad, which one is you? Dad, which one is you gonna?
Whichever you want me to have.
I say,
I'm not picky at all.
I pick purple.
Okay. Even though that's your mother's favorite color.
That's okay.
All right.
Mom, did I do it?
You did a great job. Did you stir it up all the way?
Did I?
Let's see. Yeah, that's just, there's a little bit of clumps down there. You gotta make sure you get it all.
Mom, I'm gonna pick.
That's for when we paint, buddy. We gotta get them all done before we can paint.
Hey, Dad, it did come with an extra stick for your purple.
Oh, okay.
Let me just try it. Mom, can you get the extra stick? Oh, I got it.
Okay.
Hey, Dad,
Hmm?
have your
Oh,
stick.
3
have it-
sticks? 3
Yeah,
sticks?
and Mom can.
Yeah.
What
Don't-
color? You want me to put the blue in there?
Yeah.
All right, so what we'll do first, we'll put a little bit of blue. All right. You want all the blue?
Just use them all.
All the blue.
All the blue.
Oh, wow. It's a bunch of blue down there.
Oh, they get stirred up.
Let's see. So we'll do it like that, which is perfectly fine. All right, buddy. So you can use these. And yeah, you got a roller. Awesome. Let's get a roller. Mama's gonna get a roller too.
All right. Here, come over here where it's don't have a lot of pine needles.
Yeah, come on.
Come over here.
Want to do a house?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, finish it up for me down there. And here we can meet right there. There you go. And
So we have the base.
we have your base of the house. What do we need now?
Oh, we always need a roof.
Gotta do the roof, okay?
Good job. Got the angle on that roof.
Perfect.
Great pitch. Oh, that's got a little bit of a slant to it. Boy,
That
that's
is awesome.
Awesome roof.
Awesome roof.
Now you need a chimney.
Oh, right. We always need a what?
A chimney.
You got the chimney, you got it.
Go ahead. You know how to
The
chimney.
chimney.
Now you can do your chimney in
Yeah.
red. Is this a boat or a banana?
It's a G.
Oh, look like a banana. Or it could be a boat. What is it, Gray? Is it a boat or banana?
A G.
Oh, come on.
I don't know. It's hard to do.
You guys, I'm gonna draw the ocean.
You do that.
Hey, you do an R over here next to the banana.
Okay, but there's like, you get done with like, little stick. Oh, I ran out of red. It's some more red. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And the little tour boat is on it.
It's a what? A tour boat?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Nice. Very creative. Very creative.
Can I? Let me show you how to do it. This is my punishment.
Boy, all kinds of fun.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining the video. And the
Hey, they need to buy this, don't they? What's that called again?
sidewalk chalk and sidewalk pen. Like and subscribe to our channel now.